Welcome to the elevator segment of the 1000 subscriber special. How about we start with something familiar, shall we? That's new. This is what the cab looks like. We'll start it with the door closed. So you get an idea of what this looks like. It's just this wood color. I'm not sure if the middle school has this exact same style, but it does have the same exact style panel, same buttons and everything. We'll do one more ride and that will be it. Not gonna spend too much time on this one. We might get off on 2. Here's your lantern. I'll get the down chime. Yeah, this is what see, it's a little stick out panel. And then they got these pads covering it all. If you look, you could kind of see it moving. You could also kind of see it leveling. I'll try to get that on the way down. There's the call button on this floor. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you. Hopefully yeah, you could see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it. I don't know what this was originally. There's a very dirty shaft. And the funny thing is, the machine room is actually over here. I find that really odd. Oh, there you go. That's part 1 finished. I guess I'll call back down just for fun. Here's your lockdown stations. My guess of what this used to be is a Staley, maybe Noble, or I don't know. I'm not thinking Warren. Maybe Noble modded this, but I don't know. I'm not thinking Noble, but I think this is a Staley originally, or Seaberg.
Meanwhile.
Boom! Alright, 09Creeper, Ethan, go in there and experience some epicness. No, not there. Hold on, I have to get my mask on, hold on.
Wow.
Hold on, before,
Oh my god.
they redid this.
Okay, that is... I was not...
Hold on, before you press the button. I'm just getting a mask on. Okay, go for it. It's coming, I think. Oh no, it's not, it's just glare.
Someone broke something.
Old Curtis. This is from 1964.
I think this might be the oldest one that I'm going to ride.
It's gonna be pretty exciting. I'll let you do the honors. I've been here multiple times. Look at that. Classic leveling. Curtis elevator.
Wow. That's the old indicator.
Sometimes that does not work. Ready? Big bump. This is what I was talking about in the walk. Look. BA.
Why are there so many? That's weird. They aren't even interconnected, aren't they?
Did we just lose it? Oh, no, we didn't. Tape.
Why is that tape?
I don't know.
Why is that? Huh, that's like all.
It's like messed up. There used to be like a very lousy bumper that used to be here.
Where'd it go?
It's gone now. They replaced it with a sensor.
Stupid sensor.
Alright. 1. M, actually. We could take a few rides if you want to.
I might not have the battery. Oh, Philly. Stupid. Oh, that is so irritating. I just stopped it.
Oh, you have to put it together now. It's maintained by Unitech.
That's interesting. Classic going down.
Yeah, classic going down. Curtis.
Is there anything interesting on the second floor?
Other than the singular call button, there is. Yeah, the singular call button's interesting. Because you never get to see that every day.
Jeez, that was not easy.
Yeah, it gives a,
Hey, yo, what? You have to see this.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just. There was one in. No, this is a medical building, I believe. This is stairs. This is actually not where the motorroom is.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, you get a view. Let's get a view from. You want to? Actually, yeah, let's get a view. There's 1097. You've been there before. There's a trapdoor up there.
Yeah, that's probably just a roof. Jeez.
Yeah, I don't know where the motorroom is on this one. Yeah.
Could be through here.
Yeah.
No, it would be. No, there is no motor room.
It's interesting. I don't know.
Well, there's not going to be one up here.
Have you ever been on Curtis before?
I think I have. That one by, what is it?
The 443.
I don't know.
Not like a Curtis like that. A Curtis like with these black buttons.
Oh, no. So that one was very cool. I can't believe it's still just push the
Yeah.
exit button.
Oh, I didn't even. Yep. See, there's another one up there.
Yeah, I got that.
If you want to do another ride off camera, I'm still filming. So if you want to ride it again.
Okay. I just didn't turn it on.
Yeah, because your battery.
I need to conserve.
Oh,
Oh, those are red.
Yeah, these are red. You didn't notice that?
I didn't. They.
All right. Yeah.
Right. Push button.
Yeah. This is a very neat elevator. Big bump?
I think I've been on a cage elevator in the city once.
Really?
My father's friend apartment.
Wait, hold on. Look.
It was a swing door. No, it was a swing door.
Look. Those are rocks.
What?
Look at that. Those are like actual like old rock.
This doesn't have a nudge mode, does it?
I don't. Probably not. They'll probably just start closing. Turn off my flash.
I have to get a new phone soon.
Yeah.
I'm so frustrated. I got a new watch, and then that watch became last generation's watch. Not even a month after I got it.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that. The alarm is a switch. Unitech is maintaining. Pretty sure that's an emergency light. Hold on, I want to go one more time. The indicator actually, I think it still completely works.
Someone's here. I feel it.
Let me see. Yeah, 2 still works. It just barely it barely lights. You kind of see. Does 3 work? A 3 is. I think it's.
2 worked.
I'm trying to see. I don't know.
2,
I think it's
worked.
burnt now.
No, 2 worked. I saw it.
Yeah, I know 2 worked. I think 3's burned. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll finish off down there. I always take so many rides whenever I'm here. There are no cameras here, so.
That's why. Can't get in trouble.
Yeah. 1964. Or 1962, actually. Wait!
What?
There's a hole! There's a hole in the fan!
Duh, how's it gonna vent?
Like, I'm like, but you can like see out of it because of like the windows.
Oh.
That's interesting. I'm pretty sure it registered its call so I could see it move.
I mean, this place definitely smells like the 60s.
Wait, look at these designs.
Oh.
They're just going the other side. Yeah. Here's the directory.
Alarm control.
Yeah. That's interesting. So you got to ride the old Curtis. What did you think of it?
Oh boy,
Oh my god.
that was pretty.
Well, okay. Well, I'm gonna figure things out with him, so anyways, that's it. I am so excited right now. I just got in a building. I'm so excited. This is one of my childhood elevators. Oh man, I remember this. This is one of my childhood elevators. Whoa. That felt weird. This is the basement. I guess the signal doesn't really matter. We're only gonna do one quick ride here. Oh wow. Alright, here we go. It's low in oil. It's maintained by, whoa. It's maintained by ThyssenKrupp Elevator. Beautiful interior. I used to come here all the time. Like, I'm not even kidding. This is one of my childhood elevators. I'm so happy to finally get in here and ride this elevator again. EPCO SSL fixtures. I don't know who put this, I don't know who put this in. It's an unknown. Does this work? This might work, I don't know. Oh, it does work. That's cool. Let's send it up so we can hear it from the outside. This place is empty down here. It's probably one of the smoothest hydraulics I've ever seen. I barely felt it moving from the basement. This is such a cool elevator. Yeah, I think it's low in oil. Why are there 2 keyholes? Look at that. One there and one there. I don't know who put this in exactly. It's a beautiful lobby. Here's the stairs. And a simplex system in here. Awesome. And I just want to show you guys the building itself because it's beautiful. I tried going in the elevators in that building over there, but what's it called? I got busted actually. Look at this building. It's a beautiful building. I have no idea who put that elevator in, but I was really happy to ride that thing because that was actually one of my childhood elevators. It should be open. Yes.
Trail arms.
You got those.
Ooh.
I have no idea what they are. All right, it's all yours. Down or up? Okay.
Mine opening.
Look at that.
It smells
Let's-
weird.
This thing is one of my This is probably the childhood elevator.
Why, you've been here a lot?
I've been here a lot when I was little.
What do they do here?
It's basically like a kind of like it's like old people come here and there's like yeah, this is a basement. Yeah.
Not down here.
What?
So we get down here.
It's up. It's on 2. All right, feel this thing when it goes. Like, okay, I want you to feel this when it goes up.
Okay.
Feel very closely. Ain't that smooth, huh?
Bounces, so it like kind of like jolts twice.
One time I thought I was stuck in here for that. I thought it wasn't moving.
Oh, it's like so gentle with its movement.
ThyssenKrupp is maintaining, of course. Listen to it when it gets to 3.
Go on hydraulic.
Nah, I thought it was.
They got drill arms up here.
Huh. Come here.
That's supposed to be up here.
I don't know though. It's apparently the mezzanine. Look at the 2.
That scared me.
Because I want to see what's on 2. God.
Bouncy.
Yeah.
It might be low.
Maybe. I remember it being low.
You don't or do?
Okay,
What is it doing?
I do not remember it doing this last time.
Hush mode cancelled.
Yeah, I'll get off here.
Very bouncy.
Yeah. Very, very bouncy.
So it's not noticeable.
This does nothing. It's just on all the time.
What is it?
The signal button.
What is it?
It just turns on the full pricing chime, but it's on all the time. Also, I want to hear this directional chime. I rewatched my video and it was funny. Hold on. I'm gonna get it to ring. Hold on. Oh, it didn't. The door probably blared it.
What?
Yeah. This is a really neat building. And there it goes.
Oh.
Heh.
Okay.
Yeah, you might wanna. What a system, huh?
What is that? I'm very curious about these bases. I can't find anything about these. This is detector. I know that they're organization. They're weird. Why is it like...
Wow.
That's why it's so weird. They're taller. Now that's making more sense. They're like... So this is an ionization
Alright.
head and they have a photoelectric head. And I was like, how they got so small?
Yeah.
Why is there so many people here when you can't see them?
They're all on the 2nd floor. That's usually where they are.
What's second floor?
Second floor is basically where all the magic happens, kind of thing. It's basically a you know Belmont Racetrack?
No, I have no idea what this place is.
Yeah, it's just it's like people betting on like it's like betting game kind of thing.
So they held,
It's kind of like a betting.
races and then
Yeah, they held races and stuff. That's
like kind of like a form of gambling.
yeah, I think that's basically what this place is. But it's open. Gee, will you stop burping? I'm gonna see if we get into the 4 points. I gotta try to get you in there. Right? We're gonna go down there and we can see if we could ride a national. Okay, you could go.
It's very similar.
Or we can go up. All right.
It's the nest here. What's that?
Dink.
Okay.
Right there.
Ow.
Look where the buttons are mounted. Look at these doors too. Or actually, let's go down first.
Damn it.
I want to go down first, then we go up. Look at these doors though. Like, look at them. Alright, you want to hit two?
Hey, look.
C3010D. I didn't notice that the first time. Alright. Send up. Look at this. This floor layout's interesting.
Where?
Alright, here we go. You want to go from C to H, just for fun?
One. What is H?
I have no idea. I've never seen a floor labeled H before.
I've seen a floor labeled X. Oh, sorry.
The branding's right there.
Now I'm looking for interesting stuff. I bet they have. Dang, that's loud.
I'm pretty sure it's maintained by, yeah, it's maintained by Elevator Refurbishing. I kid you not, that's the brand.
I think in one of my videos I accidentally gave you a face reveal.
That's fine.
Tell me
Okay.
your fan wine. Or not fans.
Okay, wash from C to H. That was fast. Alright, it's got a call, so we'll just walk down the stairs. Well, look at this. We went. What?
Oh, really?
We went up. We went up.
5 steps.
Okay, you should stop your recording so we have enough time for the service elevator. We're gonna get to it on.
Isn't it kind of risky?
It's not that risky. We're gonna exit from there anyway. How I got to it was from 2, so I guess that's how we're gonna do it. That's just the breakfast area, I think. Here it is. Think. Here you go. I was so confused. Oh, it's this way. Are you kidding me?
I kind of. What did I do? What is this? It's just.
Ding.
Here it is. My phone just randomly runs out of battery. That's on you. Oh, I see. Do these have?
Oh, it went all the way down to the basement. I see.
Yeah, these aren't in it.
No.
What is this?
It's a national. Go for it. 1. It just doesn't light up. You cool it with your burping. Listen.
Jeez. Yo, what's that?
Wait, hold on. I want to hear something. Hold on. Let it close.
That's loud. Okay, stop messing around. I don't have much battery.
That works. All right.
on! I can do the trick. Boom! Oh, darn it, I was so off time.
Yeah. It's just, the brand is right here. It's just covered.
Oh. What is the brand?
National.
Oh. This is my first national. Okay, I better end the recording soon. One last trick.
Non-ADA phone.
Wait, what is that?
Non-ADA phone.
Then you think you're stuck.
That's exactly what I thought the first time I wrote it.
Okay.
Wait, I want you to hear it. You get end your recording. I want to hear something though.
Who's got that?
Yeah.
And
Listen.
that's it. Oh my god.
Restricted area do not enter. Don't.
Okay, I'm gonna delete that. Oh, I have 1%.
Here, but you're able to get
I
them.
seriously have 1%.
Hold on. I just want
the
to.
last one.
There's something interesting feature with this elevator that dings 4 times. Trying to get it to happen. Here it comes.
Boom.
Has one there and then double chime. Well,
No, it's technically not. The gap is long enough.
you did something more interesting earlier.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
This is my favorite elevator in the whole resort. This motor is very good. Ready? That chime is incredibly funny. Buttons. Some of my personal favorite innovation fixtures. Look at the light on too though. It's red. This has quickly become my favorite elevator in the whole resort. I just want to hear that chime again. I think I just pulled a door close. Go into wide angles to get a good view of this cab. And there you go. And that's it.